Hello, welcome back to this part of the course. In this course, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can purchase a VPS and where exactly you can buy this VPS from. But I also think it's important for us to understand what this means. So a VPS is simply a virtual private server, or in other ways, a virtual machine that is remote. And you'll have a few applications that you can use in order for you to have access to the same machine. So an example that I'll give you is Putty, because that's what we are going to use throughout the entire course. You can also access it using WinSCP. This virtual machine will allow you to install operating systems on it, like Ubuntu, CentOS, and different other operating systems. But in this case, we're going to work with Ubuntu. Once you have an operating system running on this virtual machine and also other applications like Apache and also PHP, this in itself creates an environment for you to be able to run a website on this virtual machine. So what I'm going to show you is exactly what you need to do in order for you to purchase this virtual machine. So to purchase this VPS, we're going to go to a website called contabo.com. So I'm going to type it in there. So you will land on a website that looks like this. So you simply need to head over to VPS, and then you will have different options. So you have a high performance VPS, you'll have a storage VPS, and also the last one. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to go for the storage VPS. So once you click on that, you will see these options. I'll just go for the first one and choose that. So once you land on this page, you have a few options to consider. So you leave it on 1 month, then you leave the region as it is as well, since that's the only option that we have. So for the operating system, we are going to use Ubuntu 16.04. So once you do that, you need to scroll all the way down and then just click on next, because everything looks good. This is our next page. Just leave it on the private individual option, then fill in the details that are requested from you, and then choose your country. Once everything is set, just click on next. So this is a part where you need to choose your payment method. So this is entirely dependent on you. So you have PayPal option, you have a credit card option, and also another option which is in this case the third option. So I'm gonna fill in this information using my credit card information and type in the rest, and I'm just gonna click next. So once you're here, you will see that there is a small setup fee that is coming along as well, so we need to consider that as well. So the total amount this is going to cost us is about $9. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pay for it. So this is how you do it in order for you to be able to purchase a VPS, as you can see. So from this point, you're going to receive about 3 emails that are going to come from this VPS provider right in your email. So you just need to be on the lookout. In the second email, that's where we're going to find the information that we need in this particular course to work with our VPS. So after the order for my VPS was confirmed, I just waited for a couple of minutes to get the email that has the VPS details that we need for this course. So let's go ahead and check. So as you can see, we got this information from the second email from Contabo. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So as you can see, this is exactly the information that we are going to need in order for us to connect to our server remotely using our Putty client. So we have our password, we also have our IP address. So in the next lecture, we're going to get into details, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order for you to start building your email server. So thank you for your patience. See you in the next lecture.